Hello my viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm taking you with me at my local dollarama. They have a tons of choices in the table decor. This was a runner. I really like this runner, and these cute happy wood signs. This autumn blessing signs caught my eye because of the bead. You can't even do this one in DIY in this price. It's like $4.50. You can't. And this sign was so cute. I really like it. It was all under $5. And then these small, there's cotton balls, then there's sunflowers. It was all $1.25 because I have the pumpkin from the last year. So but I lose some of the leaves and I want to change the look. This cute little bird was $4.50. I think you can just put on your hay grass and with your pumpkin. It looks so cute. So tons of choices in pumpkin, and I don't like that sharp color, so that's why this little velvet pumpkins caught my eye. It was $2.50 per pumpkin, and this bigger one was $5. These cute little cotton one, the three pumpkins together, was $5. I really like the price of these velvet. One bag, it was just $3 for 5 pumpkin. I think pretty awesome price. And I grab some of items because I already have a lot of fall decor from last year, because every year I do shopping for my fall and Christmas, so I have pretty decent amount, and I don't want to go overboard. I just need a little hint of fall in my home. So this one I grab it for the wreath. I really love this wreath. It looked pretty neutral. It was $5, really nice price. So actually when I go there, I want the blue one, the blue velvety pumpkin, but then I saw this one and I changed my mind. And these cute little hay dolls, really pretty. You can just put it at your front door, at your garden door. They always look so cute. So far, if you saw this video, I will if you do consider to subscribe the channel. If you're new to my channel, I do the seasonal decor video, and I love to decorate my home, and I decorate for the all seasons. Fall is one of my favorite. So today I'm doing the comparison between the Walmart decor and the Dollarama. They both have awesome prices, honestly. And this basket you can use at the front with the real pumpkin or the faux pumpkins, which I'm gonna show you later how I did my fall decor. So I grabbed some of the flower branches. I really like this wreath and this garland, under $5, blackish purple color. Must check it. And this cute little autumn blessing sign, I already have the sign, so I'm going to show you in my next detail video, but this video I'm going to just show you the quick decor items. So this is I grabbed from there, and now let's go to the Walmart. This is not a sponsored, but Walmart have a really nice prices in the fall decor area, like this $12.98 already arrangement with the ceramic wreath, and then this hello pumpkin and this candle. They look so pretty. It's pretty much done under $20. They have a really nice color, LED, and then all these little cute pumpkin under $2. Very nice price. And they also have a same kind of color feel like the Dollarama, but a little bit better quality, obviously. And I check for the basket, and they have they do change the setting in my area. So I just grabbed this kettle. Just was $10. I think really good price. So keep watching for these kind of updates. I'm gonna show you in my next video soon. Bye bye.